Welcome to the Bond Spotless. Bond Spotless is a professional cleaning company based in Sydney that offers a range of high-quality cleaning services to residential and commercial clients. We pride ourselves on our commitment to providing exceptional customer service and delivering outstanding results every time. Our team of experienced and skilled cleaners use the latest techniques and equipment to ensure your property is left spotless and hygienic. Our services includes bond cleaning. Our professional cleaning service in Sydney can provide thorough bond cleaning for tenants moving out, leaving the property spotless. Carpet cleaning. Our carpet cleaning service in Sydney can remove even the toughest stains and dirt, leaving your carpets looking and feeling fresh and clean. Pest control. Our pest control service in Sydney can effectively eliminate pests from your property, ensuring a safe and hygienic environment. Hourly cleaning. Our hourly cleaning service in Sydney allows you to customize your cleaning needs and pay for only the hours you require, making it a flexible and convenient option. What are you waiting for? Contact Bond Spotless Cleaning Team 029 037 3902